Hi guys, very good morning, and I hope you all are doing fine and all the best that you have been staying at home and staying safe and taking care of yourselves. I just came with this video to just share a few thoughts I was having in my mind. Well, it's not mandatory that you have to watch this video, but yes, it will be really nice if you listen to it and if you go through it. I just was wanting to tell you about this study issues which we are having right now during the lockdown period, and we are not we are quite tensed right now and we don't know what's going to happen, but these are the questions which are coming into our minds right now as far as students are concerned. So I am putting myself into your shoes and I am wearing your shoes, and thinking, I'm just trying to jot those question downs which are happening in your mind or which is circling your mind and putting you into a tension thing of atmosphere or whatever you call it. So please don't go into this tension zone. You don't have to worry about it. So I'll come back to this later, this point. Excuse me. But before this, I wanted to say that hi, Danish. I forgot your name, and wish you all the best and a lot of prayers for you during your Ramzan month, which is going on, the holy month. And you, when Eid comes, you please do enjoy that. I'm giving you a happy Eid in advance. I'm sorry, very sorry, I forgot your name, Danish, but you had done an awesome job also with the Rockstar. So again, I remember few names, so I'll let you know later at the end of this video. I just wanted to tell you that I have posted a few grammar lessons on the download part of your website where you can go and check and see and solve those. See, the answers are also given there. But please, you know the rules is that I won't be able to check if you are seeing the answers or not. So it's better to be honest to yourself instead of bluffing. If you bluff me, you're bluffing yourself. If you are bluffing the books or if you're bluffing the papers which I'm posting up, it's bluffing yourself. So you have to be honest to yourself. Mistakes do happen. We have to learn through our mistakes. So this is how it goes on. So I have put up some files for you and you can just go through them. Well, it's all for class 8, 9 and 10 at the same time. And I would be really glad if you look into those and do those homeworks as per you get time. And just as I was wanting to tell you, see, this time thing, this time is so precious right now, isn't it? So it was clicking my mind about why don't we do some economics for this time. What is the economy of time right now? We are at home, we are not always going to play with our mobile, right? We are going to divide our time. So what is this important of this time economics in our family and in my life right now? I am saying in my life because I am wearing your shoes and I am trying to explain things to you guys. See, time is one of the most important resources for individuals, for any company, but also for the national economy as well. So I'll not go straight into that. In the family, your dad is there, your mom is there, your brothers and their sisters are there, aunt, uncle, if it's a joint family. Okay. So everyone has got their time space and we have to respect that. You have your own time space as well and everybody should respect that as well too. So you have to break into that timing. It's not only study will make you a dull person. Number one. Now gaming won't make you a intelligent person too. So you have to choose, not in the sense that out of these what do you want? It's either game or it's either studies. Why don't we put it into game plus studies or studies plus game, whichever comes the first. See, but if you think about me, I'll put my studies priority in the first part. Games I'll keep for relaxation, for a time pass. At the same time, we need family time also. I need my time with my dad also, because my dad generally doesn't stay at home. I have to talk to my dad also. I have to understand things also about my family. I just can't go demanding everything. I have to understand my mother's mood mode also. I have to understand my dad's problems which he's having at work, or if he's having his own business. So we have to utilize that time. We have to manage that time. That's what is called family time economics. I'm not going into that deep part, but everything has an interconnection. Okay, so this is how it works. So it's so amazing to see that parents realize the extent of their children, how they are bottled up in their feelings. Once I feel safe with my parent, I am able to talk with that respective parent, maybe my uncle, aunt, dadaji or nanaji or nani or nana, or my dad himself or my uncle. So we can open up ourselves for the first time. So this is the main time, guys. This time will not come back. We can take the COVID-19 as a curse or as a boon. Okay, but it's curse. Why? If we go out, if we get infected, it's going to become a curse. But if we stay safe and keep our social distancing maintained, properly, I guess this is going to be a boon, because we are getting this quality time with our whole family. We are getting everyone together. But at the same time, we have to divide our space and time for the respective work we have to do. Like your father or your mom gets up in the morning, your mom goes to the kitchen, takes care of it. If you have a cook in the house, that cook takes care of the work. Your father gets up in the morning, he's there enjoying talking to you all guys, you have breakfast together. But again, he has to do his work. He's on the phone on his long calls, or a distance far off, where he's handling his business or his job, or he's working from home. So we have to respect that. And we like to be listened. If someone listens to children, we like it. If I keep on saying, okay, I'll talk to you later, that doesn't make sense. Suppose you come and tell me, Roland sir, I need this. Okay, come back later. You won't like it, isn't it? So it's that. So we have to talk. We can't just stay quiet. I can't get inside some kids or some child's stomach and try to understand what's the problem if you don't speak. Okay? That's point number 2. See, there are all sorts of reasons related to a issue. Okay? So things might be worrying us at home, things must be worrying us at school, or it might be we need help and advice to maintain our own selves, the relationship with me and myself. So that's where our brain gets jumbled up. So relax. Take time, think what you want to do and what you don't want to do. Everyone wants to be successful in life, isn't it? Everyone wants to be successful in life, whether it's a student or anybody else, or in order to lead a happy and successful life, everyone wants to be successful. Now, how do we get successful? If we don't show progress. If we show progress, perfection will follow me. If perfection follows me, success is waiting there. Now, for a student, being successful means to achieve goals. I understand that part. And score good marks. Successful students get involved in their studies and take an active part in it also. You have to do it to achieve these goals. They manage their studies and recreation time in an effective way. Now, what is this manage their studies and recreation time? What is this recreation time? This recreation time is, if I break it into a very easy thing, is that mobile and my studies. Before, it was, in our time, it was going out to the field and playing and cycling around. Then it came into this TV stuff. Then we came into the multiplex stuffs and going out and all, then watching these video parlors, going to video parlors and watching video movies and all that. But again, things changed and we came into this mobile world, the internet world. It's got good points, it's got bad points. That we have to decide. Now, who's going to judge that for us? Our parents. Because they are the only guys who are going to be with you thick and skin till the end. They will be there with you and they are going to give you the best advice. No one else will give you the best advice. But a teacher or a sharer who is there, who thinks about you, like the 4 hours which you are, or 4 or 5 hours, whichever you are there in the school, we take that place. Rather, I take it very seriously. I want to get down. I want to get down into that child. When someone is sitting serious, I feel very disturbed. I think, what's wrong with that person? Has that child eaten food, or is that child feeling sick, or he or she has some any other problem, or the mind is going somewhere else? So I try to make you guys very free. If your brain is not free, nothing in the world will be free, and nothing we will understand in our whole lifetime. It will take a huge time. I'll just come back in the next video, okay? Don't mind. It's a long thing, so I'll just break it up into 2-3 short videos. Again, I say you don't have to like it, but yes, I just wanted to share these things to relieve your tension, or if you are having any tension, most of you are not having, so I was just trying to share it with you. I'll be back in the next video.